Hello everyone. Today I start my first video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Man Living, and this story belongs to Pakistani series Mere Humsafar. The story begin with Hala, a British Pakistani girl is left alone in Pakistan at a young age by her father Nafis because his new European wife does not want to raise his daughter from his previous marriage. Loved by her father and then abandoned, Hala is mistreated by his father's elder brother Rais and his wife Shahjahan and another brother Jali's wife Sufia. She grew up by be an innocent teenager who is always cold and then slightly easy to hard head in the family in her grandmother and young uncle Jalis. Rais narrates his father's false story about her and never let her talk to her father. She is in love with her best friend Shafaq's cousin Khurram, who takes her on a few dates secretly. Shahjahan discovers this and creates a misunderstanding by narrating false narration to Khurram. Khurram's mother falls several ill on discovering her son has been divided the family and Hala has was engaged to suffer. But Khurram blamed Hala instead of seeing his own fault. Rais planned on getting Hala married to his employee Naviz, who is mentally unstable. Later, Hala's cousin Hamza break off her marriage, saying how she would live with such a man. Later, Hala's cousin Hamza break off her marriage, saying how she would live with such a man. After the scene for a mistake committed by Hamza's younger sister Rumi that lead by Samin being attacked by guns. Shahjahan, in order to save her daughter, she say everything has been done by Hala and throw her out of the house. When later Hamza find Ala on the road, he bring her home with Rais opposed and keep a condition to Hala. To live at their home, she need to be related of a family and deny her entry as they say her own father has ended the relationship with her. While Hala is left with no choice, Hamza does the unthinkable, takes Hala to the masjid and marry her. The other are upset from the marriage since it was decided at a young age that Hamza will be marrying Samin when they grow up. Samin is now heartbroken about Hamza marry Hala. This is when Taijan hate toward Hala grow even more, accusing Hala it's a brainwash her son Hamza into fall in love. Hamza's life become harder living. There is no one accepting her as Hamza's wife except his grandmother. While overcoming the hardest and hardship there, Hamza help her find confidence in herself. They bring to fall for each other while Khurram saves Samin's life and both bump into each other multiple times. They grow a friendship with each other. One day Samin takes Khurram to his house when he realized it was a Hala's house as he had gone there before see her and Hamza together from behind the brush and vow to take revenge on her. It is soon that revealed that Hala is pregnant when he is not able to travel to London. After knowing of Hala's pregnancy, grandmother and Hamza was over the moon and others are less than happy. Shahjahan, seeing Hala's importance grow because of his unborn child, decided to make Hala's miscarry her child. In order to do that, she gave her a pain medicine and Hala thinks Shahjahan has changed, so eat the medicine. Afterward, when the truth is revealed to Hala, she confronts Shahjahan about it with Hamza and Shahjahan denies it, showing it was a Hala take herself from her pregnancy. After the Hamza and Hala fight a lot and upset with each other. Now Samin's parents are think of marrying Khurram and Samin from the purpose they call Khurram and their house and finally finalize the proposal. Shahjahan see Khurram and recognize him bluster out about Khurram and Hala's past to which everyone is shocked. She called Hala and dragged her in front of everyone. Then Khurram irreverently refused to recognize Hala. And even Hala under pressure lied to that she also doesn't know her, framing Shahjahan as the liar and mental one. Everyone say that she has gone insane. Hala is deeply traumatized by this and she always speak the truth, and she told a lie, she cry a lot. Hamza comfort her but still she doesn't get okay. For few days, Khurram and Shahjahan traumatize Hala. Hala decide to tell everything up to Hamza about her past, but Shahjahan doesn't let that happen. After day before Khurram's engagement, and he recalls his mother's word and decides to give up on revenge. The next day, it's Khurram engagement with Samin. Shahjahan is disturbed by this and asks Khurram to take back off from engagement, but he does not. And he also says Shahjahan that he does not want to take any revenge. On this, Shahjahan gets angry and comes up with an evil plan. She manipulates Hala and takes her to the Khurram's house and asks her to request him to go away from the Samin's house life. While Hala is talking to Khurram, Shahjahan calls Hamza and asks him to come to Khurram's house and asks him to listen their conversation in a sneaky way. Hamza misunderstood the situation and Hala's word. He feels broken. Everyone in the family discovered that Hala knew Khurram much earlier. Meanwhile, Rafiz, Hala's father, comes back from his other daughter Maryam. Grandmother died while narrating Hala's painful experience in life. The engagement of Samin and Khurram is breaking off after knowing the truth. Nafis and Maryam support Hala and make her regain her self-confidence. Hamza despite Hala leaving the house, coming treat her nicely. One day Khurram goes to Samin and apologizes for his mistake, and Samin says that he should first take forgiveness from Hala. So Khurram came to Hala for apology, and Hamza sees them together and feels suspicious. Meanwhile, Rumi also married her boyfriend secretly, and her mother had refused to talk about her marriage with her father. Later, Shahjahan came to Hala and told her that Hamza would expel her after taking child from his wife, which upset her and make her doubtful Hamza. Hamza and Hala have a fight and feeling betrayed by each other, do not want to live together, and Hamza goes to Khurram's house to tell him about their split. Khurram makes Hamza realize her love for Hala. Meanwhile, Rumi's engagement is being done with someone else and Hala has appointment simultaneous. So Hamza accompanies Hala to hospital. Meanwhile, Samin planned to go to study abroad, and her father Jalis decided to sell his share of house to fund Samin's education. When Hala discovered Rumi's crying on the street and help her, and Hamza resolved Rumi's secretly marriage issue. Hamza tried to get back to Hala. Hala fall unconscious on learning that Hamza tried to offer her hand to Khurram and deliver their baby girl. On returning home, Rumi reveals Shahjahan's false blame, and Hamza decides to go to Australia with Hala and their daughter for a fresh start. Jalis was unhappy but accepted the decision, while Hala wanted to stay in Pakistan. Shahjahan broke down after learning about it, and she started to ask forgiveness to both of them, requesting them to say Rumi is married to her father Waqas. Rumi is married to her boyfriend Waqas' family, and Khurram say he wait for Samin after she come back from the abroad. Hala forgives Shahjahan and convinces Hamza to remain in Pakistan, looking for their child and the family. Finally, Hala and Hamza confess their love to each other over a cup of coffee. This is the story of Mere Humsafar. Thank you.